So solving piecewise functions, well, first we're going to solve for y given x. So piecewise function is when you have different functions all on one graph. So we have the first one, which is a linear function, y equals negative 0.5x plus 1, so y equals ax plus b. And this is only true if x is less than negative 1. So up until negative 1, we have a line that's y equals negative 0.5x plus 1. Between negative 1 and 3, we have a constant function, which is y equals 2. And if x is greater than 3, we have another linear function, which is y equals negative x plus 6. So to actually solve these using the rules, if I'm given x equals 4, I have to start over here with my restrictions and see which one to use, so 1, 2, or 3. So x is 4. Well, 4 is definitely not less than negative 1, so I'm not going to use the first equation. 4 is not between negative 1 or 3, so I'm not going to use the second either. 4 is greater than 3 in this case, so I'm going to use the third one. So let's use y equals negative x plus 6 because 4 is greater than 3. So now I'm going to sub my 4 into x, and I get a y value of 2. Now my second example, I have x equals 1, and we're going to do the same thing. 1 is not less than negative 1, so it's not the first equation. 1 is between negative 1 and 3, so I'm going to use the second equation. So I'm going to use y equals 2, and so since there's no x value, y is just equal to 2, so therefore the answer in this case is 1 and 2, and over here it is 4 and 2.